Alright, today I'm going to go over the self-watering container that I built using a 5-gallon bucket. You could use any 5-gallon bucket. Home Depot, Lowe's, Tractor Supply, wherever you get these from. And basically, I have designed this to be a self-watering container. So, for those of you who love gardening, but, can't find the time to kind of get to your plant to water on a regular schedule, this is a great solution for you. This is a self-watering bucket container. I built a lot of self-watering container. We're going to go over, like, share, and subscribe to get more information on this topic here. So this here is a 5-gallon bucket self-watering container. I got it built using some perforated 4-inch drain pipe that I cut about 6 inches in length. This is 1.5 PVC pipe that I cut 6 inches in length as well, and just put a piece of duct tape because one of the goal of planting in container is to prevent it from tipping over during high winds and stuff. So I like to make my container where it's bottom heavy, where it's heavier at the bottom, because one of the things you don't want is you don't want it to be top heavy where the growth is just so heavy and then eventually tip the container out. You also don't want the plant that you plant in container to dry out. So this self-watering bucket container here that you could build for yourself, or I'm going to have them available online. There's going to be a link in the description, so you could get one of these as well. This one here, the actual weight is about 3 pounds, so it's pretty light. It comes just like this, just all ready to add soil and gravel to it. We're gonna have gravel for the weight. All right, so I like to grab peat pebbles from any one of your local hardware store, Home Depot or wherever, and then you want to put some potting mix in. You don't want to put regular soil in these, okay? Very important. You want to put potting mix. So these are going to come ready to go. I cut the handle off this one, but you could request to leave the handle on if you like, if you have some special use for it. But for shipping purposes, this is how it's going to come. The shipping weight when you receive it with packaging and everything, it's going to be about 5 pounds, less than that probably. Another 2 pounds I'll say for shipping packaging and stuff. The size is about 12 by 12 in diameter, and it's about I would say 15 inches high. Let's double check that. Yeah, right around 15 inches high. So if you guys want one of these self-watering containers for yourself, click the link in the description below. I'm also going to be giving away one of these for free. So if you're interested, hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I'm randomly going to pick a subscriber to kind of send one of these out for free to try out. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to put this together once you guys purchase it and receive it. So one of the things you're going to need is any 3 bottles, right? So any 3 bottle, a Gatorade bottle, water bottle, whatever it is. The kit doesn't come with these, so the only thing you're going to have to do is get 3 water bottles, or in whatever bottles. See, these are different heights, so it doesn't matter. All right, you got to just make sure you drill a hole in the top and the bottom of the bottle. See, I got holes in the top, a few holes in the top, and a few holes in the bottom. That way water can seep and fill the bottle, because the bottle is going to act as your water reservoir. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just place the bottles in the container just like that. All right, these pipes are going to act like your soil wick. All right, we're going to push soil down into these. I have it taped up right now because I don't want to get any gravel in when I'm pouring gravel into these. into the bucket here. All right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna open this bag of gravel, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I kind of get the gravel in here. All right, so I got the gravel poured in these little containers so it'll be easier to use while flimming. And I'm just gonna pour it all in here. Get that gravel all up in there. Alright, gonna move it around a little bit. Alright, so you want to get the gravel out where it's just even with those pipes, because you gotta take the tape off of those pipes. But you want it just like that. It's all nice and pressed down. Now this bucket is a little bit much heavier, so that is good. Scoop some of those because I'm going to want to pull those tape off. I pour a little bit too much gravel, guys. And before I pull any more out, I'm just going to get a piece of stick. Kind of just compact it a little bit. I want it to get in all the crevices everywhere. Okay. Get that all in there. I'm going to take a little bit more out so I can get to the top of the pipe. And that tape off. I don't want to leave none of that tape in there. Now, one of the thing you guys have to do before you guys put these bottles in is pull the labels off. All right, this is for demonstration, so I didn't do that on this one, but I'm gonna take it apart again and kind of pull that off. All right, so let's get this tape off because this pipe is I put it on lightly, the tape. So this pipe is where the actual soil is going to go, and it's going to act like a wick, kind of wick the water up from down the reservoir. All right, so see I got the tape off. All right, and you can see straight down in the bottom of the bucket. See that? In all pipe. So now it's time for you guys to put your soil in. Alright, so now I got the soil level. That's how it's supposed to look right there. I had poured too much in, so I had to scoop some out. Now it's all ready for you guys to put your potted mix in. So let me get this ready. Be right back. Alright, so I got my potted mix ready. I'm just gonna dump it all in there. And one of the things you're trying to do is get it shoved down into those pipes. All the way, make it nice and compact. I'm shoving it down with 2 fingers because that's gonna act as your wick to kind of suck up the water and stuff from the bottom. So this is how you guys can build this self-watering container just out of little stuff you guys can get from your local hardware store and a few empty bottles you guys have around the house, just real good. Nice way to kind of recycle. I'm just making sure I got that soil nicely tucked down in all 3 of those pipes, and there you guys go. You have a nice, very easy to make yourself self-watering container. Or if you guys don't have the time, just click the link in the description and y'all can get one for yourself. Put it together and kind of ship it out for you all. Real nice and easy self-watering container. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, now it weighs a ton. Definitely much heavier. So you ain't gotta worry about the wind blowing this over, blowing your plants over. Yeah, very nice. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe button. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you. Geo out.